Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to revise our concept of articles. An article is any member of a class of dedicated words that are used with noun phrases to mark the identifiability of the referents of the noun phrases. The category of articles constitute a part of speech. In English, both the and a are articles which combine with a noun to form a noun phrase. Now, types of articles. There are two types of articles, definite and indefinite. Definite article is only one and it is the. Indefinite articles are two, a and an. Now, grammar rule 1. When you have a single countable English noun, you must always have an article before it. We cannot say, please pass me pen. We must say, please pass me the pen, or please pass me a pen, or please pass me your pen. Nouns in English can also be uncountable. Uncountable nouns can be concepts such as life, happiness, and so on, or materials and substances such as coffee or wood. Grammar rule 2. Uncountable nouns don't use a or an. This is because you can't count them. For example, advice is an uncountable noun. You can't say he gave me an advice, but you can say he gave me some advice or he gave me a piece of advice. Some nouns can be both countables and uncountables. For example, we say coffee, meaning the product, but we say a coffee when asking for 1 cup of coffee. Grammar rule 3. You can use the to make general things specific. You can use the with any type of noun, plural or singular, countable or uncountable. Please pass me a pen. That means any pen. Please pass me the pen. This means the one that we can both see or we know what we are talking about. Children grow up quickly. Now, this is the second example. This sentence shows children in general. The children I know grow up quickly. And this means that not all children, just the ones I know. So, these are specific. We are talking about specific children. Next example, poetry can be beautiful. Now, this is being said about poetry in general. The poetry of Hopkins is beautiful. That means we are specifically talking about the poetry of Hopkins, not any poetry. So, I am only talking about the poetry Hopkins wrote. Now, important point. It is important to know that the article an is used before a noun starting with vowel sound in its singular form. For example, an apple, an egg, an ice cream, an owl, an umbrella. When the nouns are in plural form, for example, apples, it will be used with words like few, some, number of, the noun if it is countable, or with the definite article the. Let's practice. Now, this is a story, a little clip of a detective and his detective and his deputy. So, we are going to put the articles where it is necessary and appropriate and according to the level of the story. Number 1 is a famous detective and his deputy were walking in dash forest. Now, the story is starting and we have to put an article before the word forest. This is a noun. Forest is a noun, but it's not been stated as a specific forest, any forest. So, here the article a will come. A famous detective and his deputy were walking in a forest. That means any forest, nothing specific. Number 2, dash forest was dark and a little bit frightening. Now here we are talking about the same forest that we have introduced in the first sentence. So this is a specific forest, not any forest. So we are going to add the in this sentence. The forest was dark and a little bit frightening, because we are talking about the forest that was mentioned in the first sentence. Next, soon it began to get dark, but luckily they had dash tent with them. Now here we see that the tent noun is in singular form, and we are not talking about any specific kind or any specific tent. So this is any tent in general and a singular form. So what will come here? Yes, the article a will come here. Soon it began to get dark, but luckily they had a tent with them. They decided to stay dash night. Now here we are talking about a specific night, not any night, that specific night. So what will come here before the noun night? What will come here? They decided to stay the night, that night when they were in the forest. Very good. Now they put up their tent under dash stars and went to sleep. Now what is going to come here? Stars is a general, not specific stars, and it is a plural. So what is going to come here? Under a stars, under and stars, or under the stars. So I guess it will be under the stars. They put up their tent under the stars and went to sleep. Next, then in the middle of the night there was dash loud noise. Now loud noise is a noun and loud is an adjective. So the noun noise is singular and it is not a specific noise, and we haven't talked about it before. So what are we going to write here? Then in the middle of the night there was a loud noise. Yes, a loud noise, because it happened in the first time and it's not specific. Next, dash detective woke up. Now we have been talking about this detective in the previous sentences. So this is someone specific, not any detective. So what will come here? Yes, the detective woke up. The detective who was in the forest sleeping in the tent at night. Next, he looked up at dash sky. Now sky is a noun and it is singular and it is specific because sky is only one. So what are we going to write here? The article the will be added here. He looked up at the sky. Then he woke up dash deputy and asked, what can you see? Now the detective, a specific detective, we have been talking about that detective. He woke up dash deputy. Now is the deputy specific or any deputy? What do you think? Yes, it is a specific deputy that came with that detective. So here this is a specific, we are talking about specific deputy, so the article the will come here. Then he woke up the deputy and asked, what can you see? The deputy replied, I see millions and millions of dash stars. Now here he is not talking about specific stars and he is talking about a plural, and that is stars is a plural noun. So what will come here? Who's going to tell me? Yes, there will be no article here. The deputy replied, I see millions and millions of stars. So there will be no article here. Very good. Now the detective asked, and what is your dash opinion about that? Now let's see what's going to come up here. Now opinion is a noun and starting with a vowel sound, but he is asking about a specific opinion. What is your opinion? What is your an opinion? What is your the opinion? What's going to come here? Yes, the detective asked, and what is your opinion about that? So there will be no article here. He is just asking about his opinion. It can be one, it can be many. So he is asking about his general opinion about it, about the situation. So there will be no article here. The deputy replied, well, if there are millions of stars and if even a few of them have dash planets. So now what article would come here? Planets is a plural noun. We are not talking about specific planets. We are talking about any few planets. So what will come here? The deputy replied, well, if there are millions of stars and if we even have a few of those, and we even a few of those have planets, the planets and planets, none of the article will come here, because these are some planet can come here, but we are asking only for the article, so we are not going to add any article. So the deputy replied, well, if there are millions of stars and if even a few of them have planets, so no articles. It's quite likely there are some planets like dash Earth out there. Now we are talking about a noun Earth, and it is a vowel sound. Earth is a vowel sound, but we are talking about a specific planet with the name. So we cannot say a Earth. What are we going to say here? What are we going to add here? Yes, it's quite likely there are some planets like the Earth out there. The Earth is a specific planet. If there are dash few planets like Earth out there, now what's going to come here? If there are dash few planets, now planets is a plural noun. A few planets, the few planets, and few planets, and is out of the question because there is no vowel sound. So if there are a few planets like Earth out there, because we are not talking about specific planets, there might be or there might also be dash life. So what is going to come here? A life, an life, the life. No, none of the article will come here. There might also be life, only life, because a life, that means only one life, and this is a singular sentence, singular noun, and we are not talking about the specific life. So here will be we are not going to add any article here. There might also be life. The detective replied, you idiot, it means that somebody stole dash tent. Now this tent is a singular noun and it is not a general tent. We have talked about we have mentioned it in the above sentences. So this is a specific tent we are talking about, no general tent. So the detective replied, "You idiot, it means that somebody stole the tent." So we are talking about a specific tent. Okay, I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.